Hey there, in this video we will go through irony and its kinds. The term irony refers to a contrast or discrepancy between appearance and reality. Irony is the use of words to express something other that opposes the literal meaning. This contrast or discrepancy can take a number of different forms, that is verbal irony, situational irony, and dramatic irony. Verbal irony is a type of irony in which the speaker says one thing but actually means another thing. For example, when the situation is bad and you say, "Oh, fantastic." Situational irony is a type of irony in which the situation turns out quite different than it is expected. For example, a fire station burning down, a police station that gets robbed. A person came to kill his enemy, but he was killed. And dramatic irony is a type of irony in which the audience knows something secret, but the character is unaware of it. For example, in Romeo and Juliet, the audience knows that Juliet is only asleep, not dead, but Romeo does not know, and he kills himself. And in Shakespeare's Macbeth, the audience knows that Macbeth is planning Duncan's murder, while acting loyal to him. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe us. Bye bye.